Why I ignore 90% of trading signals and wait for confirmation instead.
Many beginner traders make the same mistake. They take every buy or sell signal they see. I used to do exactly the same. Over time, I realized that a trading signal alone doesn't create a high probability trade. What really matters is where the signal appears and whether the market confirms the setup. Here are the simple rules I follow before entering any trade.
Trade with the trend. I avoid taking trades against the overall market trend. Trading in the direction of the trend usually provides a better probability of success. Wait for confirmation. I never enter immediately after a signal appears. I wait for the next candle to confirm the move before making a decision.
3. Focus on key price levels. Signals that appear near important support or resistance levels deserve much more attention than signals that occur in the middle of a random price range. 4. Avoid high-impact news. Major economic news can create unpredictable volatility. Even a good technical setup can fail during these events, so I prefer to stay out of the market until conditions become more stable. 5. Be selective. Not every signal deserves a trade. I prefer to wait patiently for high-quality setups rather than forcing trades. In trading, patience is often more valuable than activity.
A simple example. Today, I noticed a sell signal on XAUUSD. Instead of entering immediately, I waited for confirmation from the next candle. Once the setup was confirmed, I entered the trade, placed my stop loss above the recent swing high, and targeted a minimum risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. By waiting for confirmation instead of reacting to every signal, I avoid many low-quality trades and maintain a more disciplined trading approach.
The tool I use to make it easier to identify these types of setups, I developed and use my own NovaPulse FX MT4 Non-Repaint indicator. It is not a holy grail, and I do not claim that it wins every trade or guarantees profits. No indicator can do that. Its purpose is to help traders identify potential trading opportunities more efficiently while still relying on proper market analysis, confirmation, and sound risk management. If you'd like to learn more about how the indicator works, view its features, or see example setups, you can find all the details in the product description here.
I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'd be happy to answer any questions or hear your feedback. How do you filter false signals before entering a trade? What confirmation rules work best for you?